To see the devastation that's been caused by a hurricane is very upsetting, very stressful. Right after the hurricane, we had not even identified where all of our employees were. There was so much uncertainty, and one of the first phone calls I received was from RealTime IT. What they told us immediately was, don't worry about your data. Everything has been backed up. We will help you get to it as soon as you are ready and as soon as you need it. This was very reassuring because we were dealing with so many issues and so worried about a lot of things. To know that that part of our business was covered and could be continued was a huge relief. And I cannot say enough about how comforting it was to have RealTime IT holding my hand through all of that.
You can't predict the next crisis, but RealTime can help your business prepare for it, whether it's hurricanes, tornadoes, or cybercrime.